Mwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so yede nyame asese ne ene na watchi insurade de ahyemu. Ne yede hyase eye kase no na nsam ne do so ne to dwa mu bi ya wobetini. NDC amanyoko franka tuni ahyebo kire se woni achechefo nkabom kuo no ebeka abomu na fei ene me beboa ma adesua ne adekira ye yie no eho hyehye wode be ya adwuma se nyame boa no na Ghana de abanwa no ehye ne nsa. NDC Youth Organizer and so dia to mabunu ni nyina anim sa fia bato edie wonhwe se wono mo ani beda ho na nipa wo mu yi no ebe ne ebeboa eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra, Go TV channel 119, DSTV 280, YouTube search Adom TV 2 yo ho medidi afia amankwa tamaklu afia ni DMT said 70 mu ankasa etie Kane Ghana mampani ya woye franka tuni de ma NDC amanyuko eya John Dramani Mahama ne wone mpanifo ahodo edi akotene e wa chechefo nkabomko no ahia ya wonmo edi enkomo se eniema wonmo ehawo adwen ya e ma adehia ne adekire nkoso ene ne ya wonmo ehia se beboa ma adehia ne adekire akoso no wo munyina nsi nkonya no monwenwen ho se be ye bedi akotene wan NDC amanyuko no manifesto no emu Adom TV kase.
Clearly, our basic schools have been neglected. The sector has been characterized by poor implementation of reforms that have not been properly thought through, changes in syllabus without accompanying textbooks and other learning materials. I'm aware that as key stakeholders, the NPP government has failed to consult you on many policies that they are currently implementing. The NDC is different. As a social democratic party and as an ally of the unions, we believe in participation. This is a mark of good governance as it helps shape policies to make them more responsive to the needs of the citizens. Today's meeting is yet another demonstration of the fact that the NDC is always ready to listen to you and work with you to improve our educational sector.
Edi atudwa se wa yekrado se wone kebe omufuo ya wonum ewa adesua mu ebeka wontuma abomu no waye adwumaden se de ebeya wobeboa adesuafo wo memu ne achechefo nyina adaachi.
As key stakeholders in quality education delivery in this country, our party has always taken and will continue to take the inputs of the unions into account when formulating education policies. That is why in 2020 NDC People's Manifesto in section 7.2, paragraph 6, under the heading Providing Globally Competitive and Quality Education, we stated, and I quote, "Furthermore, the next NDC government will usher in a new dawn for teachers through restoring the dignity of teachers and making them integral partners in national policy reforms." It means that any reform we want to introduce, we're going to make sure that the teachers are a part of discussing and implementing those reforms.
NDC amanyoko franka tuni ora George oparea don so de to mabunu ni nyina ni safi abato okase de yani mo no mabunu no enhwese nipa wo yi no no ye ni a wobeboa ama won kankwa akwanim Adom kase etwaso
1992 pen NDC winning Asante Action. After that the MPP na di o minus and every visible developmental project I do any be no I can't see NDC abide at the bar. Oh, yeah, Babunu na se Ghana eda wakuma so. Now drink Ghana. Ye tribalism in fear manose. Now ye share the real issues and confront your mind. The real issues is that say nipa ni fi fa so fi fa. Ye nyina Ghana for. It is one flag, one constitution that unites us. We are people with one common destiny. The destiny in say you better obi accept your drink Ghana one. Be ye hihia ama Ghana for nyina. And you'll be a then the girlfriends and enough. But we are looking for a government that represents the people, a government for the people and by the people. And that government is the NDC government led by John Dramani Mahama. And Master Sel see a twaba, and my buying for Asante Central. Near schedule before
Smaila Ibrahim, a year, Amanyuku no dream tinani ewa Asante Achem Central, and also any Amani Boni etchem komo.
Touching Central de Doyam, MPP NDC in Iba, Mbabuno, Amadino, Abafi. Tisi do mo say the oboboa constituency and I say Osoboano. Santa Chim Santra say nyina be dia dance ya enyama papa no endis na de bae. Say MPP4 also dia mayem. E wo hemfa. Babu na hu say de ya no so mani and sisi ya de enya NDC say MPP say wo de edwan wo ma ana say wo de enwura white coach say edwan kom na say wo de no kogina ho e beto aba ma na this time de omasem. Mo hu nyama papa e wo NDC party.
Doma West Abaton Pesiano so parliamentary candidate Dema MPP Amanyoko no e de ato party man anim say breaking the 8 no enya no fafa keke nemum eso onye adwumaden pa no watumi breakisa 8 na Adom TV etwa so
2024 enye abayira abewajo say the bia make all the odds are against MPP if you say Ghana ha no yero ko bia chere say aban bia anko 8 years after 8 years aban bia anko bi da 2008 elections when Kofo has introduced all the big policies, all the good policies in Ghana, are they who be that they are still Ghana for saying Kofi now and this is in fact 2016 crowd not John Mahama there or ya no not John Mahama policy country but this is protected still Ghana for saying Kofi. So clearly it tells you say election 2024 say if MPP want to win it, it's not an easy task for us.
Wusu MPP Amanyoko ni dwemtenani e Doma West Abaton Pesiaso wono so e de ato Amanyoko na chitaifo nyina animu se
ukogina baabi na NDC for kasa unya asam anka amfa ankondam ne omoka no ye ba susu ya ya adwuma ye bebre metimi aka ademensansi mebo se the whole Ghana efie bia mu abusua bia mu omanya free senior high so emphaso ana enyesa ena utufia ubetimi afa mobile phone na wa go code wa ni wa de obafaka afrika de mokroma ba eyemfaso de bebre ewo wa aban edi aba
Ivan Safari Jan Yeboa eyebo no mantamu MPP Amanyoko no domfrefo Medina sie no no so the same say ene tudwa
esan dwumadia His Excellency Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo ne most efficient Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ene oye party ni kandifo yede no ekono na come 2025 wasen abetoa adwuma pa wa hya ase no so Ghana man ene bono man ehu nnwuma pa aban we aye ede amamantam we ene ntino yen ye ogidie se afi aba ye bekono His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will be the next president of the Republic of Ghana.
Yemfi amanyon semu na yemongra yansa mfoforo mu na adehia ya womotema committee 11 se womakwan ne anachna ema yemfa filling station bi mmesi wompotemo ho nti womo aye bibi kakra de bo mpanifo kokwa Adom TV kase pie ho etwaso
mpanifo afa kwan bi so a omama papa yi license any permit a odisi ade we ti pese e ka che MPA EPA TMA TBC ene obi bia o sha se omo de license ni ma papa we say community ni say omo mfo aso na afei your signatures or call 4G in the name of the community how the 4G license we ye ma MPA aso ate say the petition omo the cessation letter ba say ejuma yi en stop no up to now papa yi busu ye ejuma we be some say authority na don mudin so no what is it for sa suban a omo denedi e wo kromu ha no enu ena ama Ghana enu na ama kromu e Daniel butu no enu nti oyeche e de ahye so ye mo maso ate say ye ni abre na mom this is not the last there are other processes I initiating eda kwan mu a eba
Felix Sobre assembly member Tema community 11 oni amani boni enkomotwetwe mu no ena wodi tu gya se ensem amanfo no Canada ni nyina nokre ya ni nyina mu no mugusua etu anamon se de beya filling station de wo mesi wonom empotemu ho no mo
adewa hu echiwe no it violates so many of our laws especially the provisions from Act 925 Land Use and Special Act and it LI 2384 it violates because here is supposed to be a residential plot. was rezoned into a mixed-use commercial environment where they were doing a washing bay. Now it's a full-scale commercial. The law does not support it, and we have carried ourselves very well. But as we start here, we have done so many engagements. The petition, all the state institutions, TDC, NPA, EPA, TMA, national school. We have done all the processes that the law requires us to do, and we are still not seeing the active involvement of these institutions to put a stop to it. It's only EPA who have issued a cessation letter, which at the point in time wanted to use the police to enforce it. But I believe that such thing we need to judge. So as the community has spoken, they say they are not interested in this kind of thing. It is very dangerous. We have a 42-inch pipeline over there. And recently when they started work, it got broken.
Adom TV, Badwam Kase na Uguso Shani yɛto so de makoye nwomasuo mu a na ensuo atɔ ama ewi akire. Ɛyɛ New Longoro Community Day School and the Ga SHS E-Block. A no nyina working tampo mensin no mu no. Apa one more enchanse no afiri so. Ama ene adesua ne adekira ye bibia wo hɔ Adom Kase ɛto so.
Assembly amane abo MC amane ba be say tire ho krata ko nyina ipese bo mu nyina amane nyina yayi ne nyina awie enso dan no obi entu ho anamo ena nsuo nso afi nso no hyase eto enti ba bia ase kura nsuo no nsuo ahyase eto yi ebesan amana asa ebi asa aka me fa say eso na apa na nsuo eto yi egu ceiling no so epro kana no nyina se ya nso ano a enkrai ya bi school ye nya kwan ba bi entena so insua de
ina no musie no enye dan ketewa bi a wo so ese ko akirima ansana ban ba so nti yesra ban se omra be boy ba e ko akira e be den mai sisi ade nya nko akiri sa nti won fo so ana ba bi ase no omwa ina bi ansi nye sa ese ko ani ma be haye
Jacob Paco, assemblyman, New Longro, one also at the Nensam Etwaso.
Quickly, no yaman penny for Asun Eti from Kentampon of Municipal. Into MC so it too. And I'm more and I only not Mofunina, Eba Hanum, Ebeshe Dino. Now, almost say on Beshena, on my Amayen. Now, I can't say on Monka. I feel so, I was on Mobile Bois Kuno, Yen Huye. Intintina yafa ensontrofo aba kruda yi mu a say yesre omo adom from for the mukasa amafo tibi yesre omo say omo say aban na aban be boy because we share structure we gina hu ya ama ensuo to a ensuo no ese dan egu edan no so nti school nkola kora wo so mo ko kuhia de no ama adihia no ayesta bi nti yesre aban ani nimpanyimfo say Minister of Education ni GS for mutie ya Omundan omani mba New Longro Community Senior High School number yamwa.
Yet was so na lead trainer Dema US Embassy and Parfait Media program on HIV and AIDS. Ayora Kingsley Chere or the atwa this year wa mantam no mo anim so onyina nka wo ho emom na yankuntia HIV AIDS ya re no said ye e cheche na hye mu no Adom Kase edeva.
Because woman ewa sorry mu nyina enya HIV a na chese obi anu a obeba sorry na se imam omonso nkrofo ewo mosque no monso eyare a ebeye diama pa wokra ebeye dadwin abeda so enti de ye kan se enwu hi obia if governmental authorities the ba ye media the ba ankra ye wo mu nyina enti enka se o we de doctor for asem eno manya ana se we de pefa US embassy for na enya eyi nyina enti ye kan se obia mfa ne hunjim yeta kan bibi wo brofom if you are not infected you are affected efa ye nyina ho yen koso so man HIV etimi high ye pass ya hwe ne ye
some truthful bi a wonom ekɔ workshop EBA ene amane boni hwehwe nkomo
o say etimi didi ye ho nkomo ne sisu ye o media nim no ye use ye various platforms so a ye wo so da bia no na afede ye nkyerɛkyerɛ na ye de kyerɛkyerɛ afoforo mo so wo fie no die nti ho hia sɛ on betimi attest na afo mai de o ma treaty
HIV muawa no se ebe ni pedua no mu na se wo ka kire wo bia na ehu no safe ye hu se saade no kura enye den enye hu ena ade no so ma yenka no yenka no hu se bia emwa wana ba uni pedum ana se won ka nipa ho ana se ye twon afiri nipa ho
mesre se yenko hospital na ye ma yendro na yenhwe se ye befa yendro no se de beboa na abre emwa wana eye HIV na se de be ya eli
Mayenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pay ye de asiaseda ne ye odia twen ye ibe sima mienu komiensa so na afi ye mrade bonkrata ene online stories abeka yensa yemfa ntoso ye basisi